Open Capcut. New project. Select one photo. Add audio and click Extract it. For the music used, I will put the link in the description box. Click the music and click Match Cut. Then after proceed to format to adjust and click 9:16. Adjust the photo to the first match cut. Then add another photo and select 3 photo. Click the first photo and add keyframe up and down. Then after click graph and select bounce 3. Then click the photo and adjust on its size. Click the second photo and click Style and choose 3D Zoom Pro. Same process from the second photo. After that, click the last photo and click Animation. And select Rock Vertical. After that, click Effect and select Party and choose White Flash. Click the split box and select Basic and choose White Flash. And click Apply All. Here's our finish edit. And last save. And let's play again. I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more tutorial like this. I love you all.